Hello and welcome back to Ngaforce Update. Today I'm going to elaborate on how beginners can start investing in the crypto markets through crypto trading or hodling.
Goodbye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you. Rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Rock-a-bye, no.
Rock-a-bye, rock-a-bye.
In previous videos, I gave a simplified explanation of cryptocurrencies and cited examples of investments that can be made by beginners. One such example was hodling, as well as crypto trading. The hodling is spelled H-O-D-L-I-N-G, which of course is a crypto term. But before I proceed, remember the golden rule of the crypto market, which emphasizes on the fact that you should never invest in cryptos an amount greater than what you are willing to lose. I will at this point leave a disclaimer to the fact that everything I say in this video is my personal initiative and is not financial advice. You may do your personal research before making your decisions on investments. If you are here for the first time or new to the channel, this is Ngaforce Updates, a platform created with the motive of information dissemination to the public, with the aim of letting my viewers adapt to the fast pace of technological advancements, especially in the financial world, particularly with relation to the cryptocurrency markets. I also shall be providing tips and pieces of advice to individuals who might be interested in migrating to Dubai but lack such helpful information. If you are interested in being updated on the topics I just mentioned, kindly hit the subscribe button below to join the community and hit the notification bell in order to be notified whenever I upload a new video. To commence crypto trading, you need a crypto wallet, which can be created online with either blockchain Luno, or you can click the link I will leave in the description box to create the wallet with Coinbase. Make sure to download and use Google Authenticator to protect all accounts or wallets created for crypto trading or investment purposes. I will leave a link to be followed to install and use Google Authenticator on your device. You shall proceed to buy cryptos to transfer to the wallet, and of course, I recommend you start by buying Bitcoin, which is supported by almost all crypto wallets. You can buy cryptos online in some countries, but most people buy from friends in same geographical locations or from the same social media platform, such as WhatsApp groups, email groups, Facebook groups, or Telegram groups, as well as you can sell through the same medium you use in buying. So I advise you use the medium you are comfortable with to buy and sell your cryptos. Always keep in mind how easily possible or how difficult it shall be to you to convert your cryptos back to cash before you invest any amount. With your coins safe in your wallet, you can then proceed to choose to either hoard or to trade, or better still, do both if you have got the financial capacity. Any amount is feasible to start with, even $50. That's about 30,000 francs CFA. Hodling is simpler. All you need to do is get your secured wallet, buy your coins and keep in this wallet, and then you project how long you keep the coins before selling. Say maybe 6 months or even up to 5 years or more. With hodling, you don't have to frequently check the markets, as is the case with a crypto trader. Here the risks are lower if you are hodling well-articulated gold coins, as well as the rewards are smaller compared to someone trading with the same coin pairs. If you are interested in trading, you might want to day trade or do a portfolio building. No matter your choice, you will need light training as well as a cryptocurrency exchange platform such as Binance or Bittrex. I will leave a link in the description panel which can redirect you to the account creation page for Binance. All crypto exchange platforms have a temporal wallet for all the coin pairs it offers, meant for storing of such coins during trading. You can transfer all coins requiring long-term storage to your online wallet, e.g. Coinbase or blockchain, or to your hard copy wallet. Day trading can simply be explained as crypto trading on a daily basis, that is, within 24 hours. While portfolio building, on the other hand, is a crypto trading during longer periods, usually based on the price movements of the selected crypto pairs. If you want to indulge in day trading, then the news on cryptos should be your best friend and companion. This is because information from news greatly influences the behavior of crypto traders, which in turn influences the price movements of cryptocurrencies. Also, I recommend you subscribe and follow other crypto trading experts on YouTube to get acquainted on how they trade before you embark on day trading. You can simply type Crypto Jack on YouTube and watch a few of his videos. You may as well follow other traders' YouTube channels to pick out the best strategy that suits you. Once you do your research, you will learn the jargons and tools used in trading, such as bar charts, RSI, MACD, moving averages, bullish markets, bearish markets, support and resistance, or even cryptocurrency exchanges and robots to facilitate your trading experience. You may as well get the opportunity to learn how to use a crypto trading robot on the 3Commerce platform. 3Commerce is used in correlation with crypto trading platforms such as Binance. To operate 3Commerce, you need an exchange platform first. Then, while in 3Commerce, you use APIs to connect your exchange to 3Commerce. In 3Commerce, you can use their robotic system, of course, at a fee to make smart trades on your behalf when you are offline. This may involve placing a stop loss or placing a take profit in case price drops drastically or rises sporadically while you are offline. That is smart trading. Where in 3Commerce, they also operate a network system, a network marketing system, where newcomers are welcomed or new subscribers are welcomed with a $10 bonus, and you receive $10 bonus for every referral made. I shall leave a link in the description panel for redirection to the accounts creation page of 3Commerce for those interested.
Okay, let's consider you have 1 Bitcoin in your Binance wallet and the current exchange rate from Bitcoin to Ethereum is 10. If you trade your 1 Bitcoin for Ethereum, then you have 1 multiplied by 10, which gives you 10 Ethereum. If the exchange rate increases in the near future to say 12, then you may decide to trade back your 10 Ethereum for Bitcoin. This gives you 12 divided by your 10 Ethereum, which will result to 1.2 Bitcoin in your wallet. So, due to the increase in the exchange rate, you have profited 0.2 Bitcoin and you now have 1.2 Bitcoins. If on the other hand, after you trade your 1 Bitcoin for 10 Ethereum, the exchange rate drops to 8 and you decide to reverse the trade, then you will have 8 divided by the 10 Ethereum, which gives you 0.8 Bitcoin. So by doing this trade, you have made a loss of 0.2 Bitcoin from your initial 1 Bitcoin. As such, you will be left with only 0.8 Bitcoin in your Binance wallet.
After studying the news and strategies from expert traders and learning how to use indicators such as MACD, RSI, moving averages, and also on how to read bar charts of crypto pairs, you may be able to speculate price movements of a chosen pair before placing a trade. But remember, the future is always unpredictable, so your speculations will not always be right. That is the risk you have to take. On the other hand, an elaborate example of hodling was witnessed in 2017. An investor who walked into the market bought bitcoins at approximately $300 each in January 2017. If these coins were held for just 12 months, in December 2017, the price of Bitcoin stood at $20,000 per coin. That was incredible. If this investor were to liquidate his holdings, then he would have made 6,566% profit. That's to say 6,566 times whatsoever amount he invested in January 2017. Similarly, if another investor saw this huge price gain and decided to join the crypto market by hodling, And then he most probably bought Bitcoins when they were worth 20,000 each in December 2017. Coming to reality in August 2018, this investor is in an awkwardly losing position where his Bitcoins worth $20,000 at purchase date are barely worth $7,000 now in August 2018. But all hope is not lost, since he is hodling and not trading, because the future may see the worth of Bitcoin rise to even $50,000, or worse still, it might still fall to $1,000. To assist my viewers, as usual, I shall leave a link below to my blog page, Gafos Updates, so you can be redirected to the written information I just presented in this video. Also, I shall leave a link to my Facebook page if anyone is interested for personal questioning or chat, as well as referral links to all necessary accounts to be created for crypto trading and investment that I mentioned in this video. Hope I was worth your time and the information I just shared was useful. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button below. And if you enjoyed the video and wish to view more from me, click the notification bell just beside the subscribe button to be notified of new uploads. You can give me a thumbs up if the information was helpful to you, then leave a comment below to let me know what you think or ask me any other doubt if you still have some. Lastly and most importantly, please click the share button to share this video to your friends who might be in need of such vital information. You can share on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, Imo, Telegram, and any other social media platform of your choice. Remember, information is wealth, so always stay informed. Thanks for watching, and that will be all for today. See you next time.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.